Kingston, Jamaica, June 1, 1981. A Monday morning where gunshots rang louder than rhythms and the streets whispered the name General Starkey. He was Anthony General Starkey Tingle, a notorious gangster, a political enforcer, and believe it or not, a man who sometimes wore women's clothes to throw off police. Starkey wasn't just bad, he was bold. He once turned himself in for rape, walked into a station like it was theatre. By 26, he'd been jailed in Canada, deported, and deep in Kingston's gunman culture. Now, while Starkey ruled the streets, another young king was rising, but with a mic in his hand. What do them, oh, what do them, oh, what do them, oh, what do them. A tall, nasal-voiced reggae rebel with a style no one could copy. He wasn't a gangster, but he knew them. And that Sunday night, he was chilling with Starkey and crew, fresh from a party. They crashed at a yard on Love Street, but love wasn't coming. The police were. A full squad, locked, loaded, and looking for Starkey. Just before dawn, shots fired, 8 men killed, Starkey gunned down, and Eek-A-Mouse? He ran into a cop, panicked, shouting, "Me a Eek-A-Mouse, the artist!" The cop looked him up and down and said, "Are you sing what do them? We not look for you, go on." That song saved his life. Today marks 44 years since that bloody Monday. Starkey died by gun. Eek-A-Mouse lived by the mic. And of that entire crew, he's the last man standing. From the shadows of Kingston's gang war came one voice that still echoes.
1981, the 1st of June, one Monday morning. Police them come raid the blood clot dance. When the police them was there with General Starkey and all of you outside. Sleep in the yard. All kind of shit. Them kill 9 blood clot man the morning. Including Starkey. Me him last a walk. Them throw 7 dead man. Not a blood clot chuck. When a rascal talk about that. Memory, Eek-A-Mouse, the last man standing. Eh? Yeah. Last man I walk it, General Starkey. General Starkey never wanted. Innocent. I'm on pay police outside the night. I show each other gun and all kind of shit and police are giving blood clot bullets. Blood clot, don't know. I mean I see it in the yard. How can I say you not talk about that? Hey, anniversary. Bumbo clot, you afraid?